1. The woman is getting vegetables at the store. What is she getting? 2. Mary asked Joe if he had a nice trip. Joe answered, yes. 3. Traffic is heavy in town during the rush hour. 4. Tom got on the wrong bus yesterday. Jim did too. 5. Mr. Richards employed a lot of people. 6. Mr. Miller knows what the population of New York is. 7. Every 6 months, Mr. Brown takes his car to the mechanic for an inspection. 8. Jane selected a book. 9. When I'm at home, I would like to take it easy. 10. This gas is invisible. 11. The face of the clock was damaged. What part of the clock was damaged? 12. One of the students bought a portable typewriter. What kind did he get? 13. Each of the boys has a separate room. What does each boy have? 15. Do you always drive so fast? 16. Bob will stay in the guest room. Where will he stay? 17. He tried to avoid the accident. What did he try to do? 18. The instrument was of European origin. 19. The president could not come to give his speech today and Mr. Jones is here to represent him. 20. This car needs a checkup. 21. Go straight ahead to the bus station. 22. The room needed many things. 23. George likes a variety of foods. 24. John kept watching the people swim. 25. The entire class is going to leave for the United States. 26. The organization set up a training schedule. 27. Why did Ted look at his watch? 28. A soldier was taught to take care of himself. What is the soldier taught to do? 29. As soon as we arrived, the rain began to fall. When did it start raining? 30. One of the many devices used by weathermen is a barometer. What does a barometer measure? 31. You should use this weapon for long range only. When should you use it? 32. Anna complained that she was starving. What was she complaining about? 33. Sam drove down a bumpy road. What kind of road was it? 34. The commander recommended the sergeant for award. 35. We are saving these seats for our friends. 36. I had just left the office when you called. 37. There were at least 20 people at the meeting last night. 38. The newspaper gives the news objectively. 39. Tom does not recognize his errors. 40. We were unable to forecast the weather. 41. Before you cash a check, you must endorse it. 42. The Watkins family has often invited Jack to visit them. 43. Pick up a package of cigarettes for me. 44. Give the captain a ring after you land. 45. The student found out about the trip yesterday. What happened yesterday? 46. What is a bulb used for? 47. The humidity is high this afternoon. What is the weather like? 48. Sue got knocked over by a big wave. Where was she? 49. Carol kept working on the problem until she solved it. 50. We took our vacation so long ago, I can't remember much about it. 51. The report had to be amended. 52. The student has gone back to his country for good. 53. Many English words are composed of two words put together. Which of these words is made up of two words? 54. The temperature is dropping very fast today. What's happening? "55. Frank couldn't afford to get a new car." "56. The pilot carried out his mission." "57.
Did you finish your assignment last night?
No, I didn't. I had a party last night.
Why didn't the student finish his assignment last night? "58.
What did you tell them?
That the situation is critical.
What does the man mean? "59.
I thought you were going to buy a new camera.
I was, but this used one is cheaper.
What did the man buy? "60.
What does Mr. Cobb do for a living?
He writes fictions.
What does Mr. Cobb do? "61.
How are the patients?
They are doing very well except the man in room 12.
Where did this conversation most likely take place? "62.
Where does Carolyn work?
In an automobile factory.
What are her duty hours?
She works from 9 to 5.
When does Carolyn work? "63.
What caused the engine to fail?
It failed because of poor maintenance.
What did the man blame the failure on? "64.
Did you see the new tank?
No, but I saw the design for it.
What did the woman see? "65.
Where should we meet tomorrow? I think this corner would be good.
I was going to say the post office, but now I think we'd better meet right here.
Where will the man and the woman probably meet? "66.
May I help you?
Yes. I'd like an explanation for this letter.
What does the woman want?